Good morning everyone. My name is Priyan Sinha and today I am going to share some information about the Indian Sign Language. Indian Sign Language is not only a means of communication for the hearing impaired but is a symbol of their pride and identity. Deaf community uses sign language with deaf community to express their ideas or views. Sign language as a mean of communication which is especially useful for their communication. There is a high need to promote sign language. According to Census 2001, there are more than 1 million deaf people and more than 10 million have hard of hearing in India. In order to serve and uplift the deaf community, the sign language can be promoted in various areas. Every year, International Sign Language Day is celebrated world over on 23rd September. This day advocates that sign language is for everyone and not restricted to deaf community. The International Day of Sign Language offers an opportunity to celebrate and protect the cultural diversity and linguistic identity of all deaf individuals as well as sign language users. We must aware the specific features of ISL and deaf culture in India. Now Tanmay and Samiksha will present alphabets in sign language. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Thank you.